Achola Stella. I come from Pallisa District, Agule County, Akisim Sub-County, Okisirana Parish, Okisirana Manga Village. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through the local leaders. I was contacted by one of my parish chief. Then we met somewhere with a few members of Gudie Leisure Farm. There we were trained. We were told to move with the national IDs, with the smartphones. Then we were told to register 100 girls. When I reached here, I was able to know very different categories running from Gudie Leisure Farm. And then the environment. The environment was so different from others I have ever seen. Like here in Gudie Leisure Farm, there are very many different activities. The way people work, the way people do things from morning up to evening, they cannot be compared with other. I'm in aquaculture department, and I have learned about aquaculture goal ladder. Aquaculture goal ladder is a step-by-step breakdown in achieving an overall goal, and it has its structures. First of them is the foundation. Before you start aquaculture business, you should have ponds, tanks, and then setups like water facilities. Before you set aquaculture business, you should have knowledge and skills. And then I have learned about aquaculture framework. When you want to start up aquaculture business, you first dig the pond, set up the water facility, then you get the fingerlings. Apart from aquaculture, I have experienced the steps you consider before starting up the business. First of all, you register the business, you find the business name, you open up account, then you should have funds for starting the business capital. When I go back to Pallisa, I promise to distribute this knowledge by training other youth on aquaculture industry.